Checking your Visa gift card balance online.
Hello and welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be walking you through how to check the balance on your Visa gift card online. This is a quick and convenient way to keep track of your spending.
Why should I check my gift card balance?
Knowing the balance of your Visa gift card allows you to plan your spending accordingly. Without knowing your balance, you might not be able to complete a purchase, which could be inconvenient, especially if you are trying to make an online transaction.
What will I need?
Before you start, you need to have your Visa gift card and access to the internet. Also, have a note of your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, which are found on the card itself.
How do I find the card's website?
Each Visa gift card has a specific website where you can check your balance. You can usually find this website printed on the back of the card. If it's not there, try a quick web search by entering the bank or institution name that issued the card, followed by Visa gift card balance.
How do I check the balance?
To check your Visa gift card balance, follow these steps. 1. Open a web browser and navigate to the website printed on the back of your card. 2. Look for a link or button that says, Check Balance, My Account, or something similar. Click on it. 3. You will typically be asked to enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Input these accurately. 4. After entering your card details, click Submit or Check Balance. 5. Your card balance should then be displayed on the screen. Ensure to log out of your session once you've checked your balance, especially if you are using a public computer.
What if I can't check online?
If you can't check your balance online, you can try calling the customer service number printed on the back of your card. Just follow the prompts to check your balance. Checking your Visa gift card balance online is a quick and convenient process. By following these simple steps, you can easily track your spending and manage your finances. We hope this guide was helpful and made your Visa gift card experience a bit smoother. Thanks for watching.